Okay. Okay. Now let's start our today's class. Welcome to everyone. This question number 4. Up to four number or three number we did before. We had done, I
Three
think, up to
number.
three number. Yes, three number up to it is completed, I think. If you do have problem, then you can tell me. You can put your problems over here. Okay, question number 4 today. 4 number. Total students present here. It's okay. Up to 3 number, everyone, you have completed.
Sir, page number कति हो?
Page number is smart
Unsent.
page. Yeah. Yes. Okay, now 4 number. Okay, today 4 number question. These are all questions you have done in the class 8 also, but also let's do 4 number. Prove the following identities. All the required formulas to prove these identities are already taught to everyone. You have note down that in your copy. You can do. You can again. You can read that formula. You can memorize it. Memorize गर्ने अनि त्यसपछि त्यसलाई एप्लाई गर्न सिक्न पर्यो है. Okay. Question number 4A. Now come to the question of 4A. 10 square C minus 1 upon 1 plus 10 square is equal to 1 minus 2 cosec square is here. हामीसँग cos square छ हामीसँग प्रुभ गर्नुपर्ने त्यहाँनिर राम्रोसँग ध्यान दिएर हेर्ने 10 square C minus 1 upon 1 plus 10 square C equal to 1 minus 2 cos square C. यहाँनिर नयाँ भएको स्टुडेन्ट अलिकति गाह्रो हुन सक्छ है जो प्रिभियस क्लासमा प्रेजेन्ट थिएनौ त्यसलाई समस्या हुन सक्छ किनभने यिनी क्वेशनका सबै आइडेन्टिटीलाई चाहिने फर्मुलाहरू डेरिभेसन हामीले पहिला सबै गरिसकेका छौं. यो आज हामी डाइरेक्ट एक्सरसाइजमा गइरहेको छौं. एक्सरसाइजको पनि हामीले 1 2 3 गरिसकेका छौं र अगाडिको रिभ्यू एक्सरसाइज पनि हाम्रो कम्प्लिट भइसकेको छ. एक्सरसाइज रिभ्यू भन्ने छ अगाडि सेल्फ रिभिजन एक्सरसाइज दिएको छ. सेल्फ रिभिजन एक्सरसाइज अलरेडी कम्प्लिटेड सबै हामीले गरिसकेका छौं. त यहाँसम्म आउँदासम्म धेरै विद्यार्थीलाई धेरै एक्सपिरियन्सहरु भइसकेको छ. आइडेन्टिटी कसरी प्रुभ गर्ने हो भन्ने एउटा आइडिया चाहिँ क्रिएसन भइसकेको छ जहाँसम्म मलाई लाग्छ. 4 नम्बर A number ma 10 square C minus 1 upon 1 plus 10 square C is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square C. We have to prove this. You prove गर्नु पर्ने छ है. Okay. Okay, I do this question on the board. मैले गर्छु कि त म स्क्रिनमै यसो यसलाई भन्दिन्छु सर्टकट हिन्ट हो सबैले बुझ्न सक्छौ. Every one of you by taking left hand side 10 square C minus 1 upon 1 plus 10 square C is equal to, we have to prove 1 minus 2 cos square C. So here every one of you can take LHS. LHS लिन सक्छौ. LHS we can take then 10 square C minus 1. 10 square you have to apply here appropriate otherwise suitable formula. You have to apply suitable formula. Which formula is appropriate here to prove the RHS. RHS को आन्सर ल्याउनको लागि हामीले कुन फर्मुला लाउनु पर्ने होला यो प्रोपर फर्मुला अथवा सुटेबल फर्मुलाहरु एप्लाई गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ है ख्याल गर्ने. र हाम्रो यहाँनिर छ 10 square C minus 1 upside 10 square C minus 1. We do not have now any formula. We can keep this same. Upon downside we have seen in denominator 1 plus 10 square C we have. So 1 plus 10 square C is equal to there is one formula here. Can you tell me what is there? 1 plus 10 square C is equal to
sec square.
Sec square.
Very good. Yes.
Sec square.
Yes, nice. Yes. 1 plus 10 square C is equal to sec square C. Oh, यसरी गर्दा
sec square C.
Yes, 1 plus 10 square theta is equal to sec square theta. Sec square theta minus 10 square theta equal to 1. त्यसैबाट त्यसलाई डेरिभेसन गर्दै गर्दै हामी दुई तीनवटा फर्मुला बनाउँछौं हैन. Sec 1 plus 10 square C is equal to sec square C. We can prove here. यसलाई हामीले sec square C भनेर लेख्न सकिन्छ यहाँ. Sec square C. है sec square C we can write. And dear students, upside you can see in the right hand side RHS लाई चेक गर्दै टुगेदर सँगसँगै जानु पर्छ है. RHS मा हामीलाई आन्सर ल्याउनु पर्ने छ cos को फर्ममा. Cos को फर्ममा ल्याउनु पर्ने छ भने you have to change the left hand side according to the right hand side. Demand of right hand side. Right hand side को डिमान्ड के हो त्यही अनुसार हामी चेन्ज गर्दै जाने. अब यसपछि के गर्ने होला त भन्ने एउटा दिमाग लगाउ त. 10 square C minus 10 square C minus 1 is equal to is there any formula? No.
10
square theta. tan square theta is equal to, we can write sin square by cos square, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, tan theta is equal to sin theta. You know cosine relation there. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Sin upon cos भन्ने कुरा तिमीलाई थाहा छ, यो कोसेन्ट रिलेसन भनेर पढेका थियौ, प्रुफ पनि गरेका हौं. tan theta is equal to sin by cos भन्ने छ. त्यसो भए हामीले राइट ह्यान्ड साइडमा पनि sin cos मा चेन्ज गर्नुपर्ने छ. त्यसै कारणले गर्दाखेरि यो tan लाई पनि हामीले sin cos मा चेन्ज गरौँ, sec लाई पनि चेन्ज गरौँ है. ल tan square theta we can write 1 sin square by cos square. Hey, tan square is equal to sin square by cos square. We can write, I write this side, is equal to, we can write tan square c is equal to sin square by cos square, sin square c upon cos square c,
Minus 1.
minus 1 divided by sec square is there downside, sec square c we can write keep same. यस्तै राख्न सक्छौं हामीले. अब माथितिर कमन लेदिए हुन्छ, सरी एलसीएम we can take cos square c we can take LCM. यहाँ लेख्न अलि गाह्रो हो, म बोर्डमै लेख्छु है, म बोर्डमै लेख्छु, ठीक छ. I stop the screen share. Now you can see on the board. डाइरेक्ट बोर्डमा हेरेर त अलिकति समस्यामा त्यहाँ बुझाउनलाई. Question number 4. A number. There is question is tan square c minus 1 upon 1 plus tan square c is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square c. We have to prove. So all these students, you have to build an idea, or you have to create the idea how to prove this. Left hand side we have to take, taking left hand side LHS. There is tan square c. Tan square c minus 1 upon 1 plus tan square c is our question. And if there is any formula here, please to apply the formula, then we can apply the formula. You know, tan square c minus 1 divided by 1 plus tan square c, you can write sec square c. Yes, up to here no problem. Sec square c लेख्न पाइयो यहाँसम्म. अब यसपछि जाऊ तिम्रो के भन्दा आरएचएस मा के ल्याउनु पर्ने छ, आरएचएस ले राम्रोसँग हेर्ने, आरएचएस मा जे ल्याउनु छ त्यही अनुसार त्यसले फलो गर्दै, त्यसले पर्स्युट गर्दै अगाडि बढ्दै गर्नुपर्छ. यहाँ कस मा ल्याउनु पर्ने छ, एन्सर कस मा ल्याउनु पर्ने छ भने यो सेक लाई पनि कस मा चेन्ज गर्न पर्यो, टेन लाई पनि हामीले साइन कस मा चेन्ज गर्न पर्यो. So you know that tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta from the cosine relation. Already it is taught. So here we can write tan square c is equal to, we can write sin square c upon cos square c. We can write minus 1 is as it is, divided by sec square c. Sec square c also we can write 1 by cos square c, no problem. Sec square theta is equal to 1 by cos square theta from the reciprocal relation. You know, cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. So here sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Formula you know यो थाहा छ तिमीहरुलाई है, formula राम्रोसँग memorize गर्ने, mind मा राख्ने. Please keep this all formula, required formula in your mind. Okay, then sec theta is equal to sec theta we had, sec square c we had, then we can add 1 by cos square c. After this, now upside we can take LCM. Everybody you have seen here, cos square c is LCM upside. So we can take LCM upside. We can draw a line. Cos square c is LCM. Cos square c we can take LCM. And sin square c as it is we can put, everybody you know this procedure, minus cos square c, it is
Cos square c, 1
cos square c into 1. Cos square c, everybody you know. If you do have problem then tell me. So you sin square by cos square minus 1 से इसको LCM निकाल्ने, cos square LCM आउने भयो यहाँ. त्यसपछि यसको cos अपन मा डिनोमिनेटर मा केही नभएको हुँदा cos square c ले डाइरेक्ट यसलाई क्रस मल्टिप्लाई गरेर बुझ्दा पनि हुन्छ. Cos square c into 1 we can write cos square c. You know the LCM procedure, divided by 1 upon cos square c. And all these students, this cos square c we can cancel it. यसलाई काट्न सकिन्छ, यसरी क्यान्सल गर्न सकिन्छ. Then upside we have seen sin square c minus cos square c only, divided by 1 is here in denominator. No need to write that. Okay, then now we are getting only sin square c minus cos square c. Now look once again right hand side, very right hand side here. What is our requirement? the right hand side 1 minus 2
Changing
cos square.
sign.
Oh, very good. So sin square c. We have to and get the answer in the form of cos. So this cos square no need to change. Let's change गर्न त जरुरी
1
छैन.
minus cos square.
Change the sin square. हामीले sin square. हेरै ट्रिग्नोमेट्री आइडेन्टिटी प्रुभ गर्दाखेरि यसो आइडिया क्रिएसन गर्ने हो. सबै क्वेशनहरु गराइदिएर आर्टिफिशियल बनाउनु छैन यहाँ. तिमीले आइडिया क्रिएसन गर्ने, you have to construct your knowledge yourself. आफ्नो knowledge आफैले construct गर्ने हो. So concept never it can be transmitted. So you have to construct your idea. You have to build up your idea. Sin square c, we have to change again. Sin square c again we have to change into 1 minus cos square c. It is from formula. Everybody, you are taught before. Those who are new, you have to again review this formula. Sin square c, you know, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Already it is taught. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos. So in place of sin square c, 1 minus cos square c we can write. Minus cos square c is already as it is we can put. Now this after 1 is same. Minus cos square minus 2 cos square c. Minus 2 cos square c. So this is right hand side. It's our requirement in the right hand side, which is true. In this way, we can do this question. Okay, clear to everyone? Is everybody
Yes, sir.
clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let's go to the next question. Let's see other question. What are there? Ayush Pandey, are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have to understand like this. Okay. You are first time today in class. Okay. Again, I'm going to share the screen to everyone. Okay, you can, sorry, this is not. Okay. It is here. I have shared the screen to everyone. You have seen question number 4 done. Now for number B and C. I think you are very familiar to this B and C number question. Did you do in class 8?
Yes, sir. But not
For
done.
number B र C र धेरै पटक क्लास 8 मा गरे जस्तो लाग्छ मलाई. गर्यो कि नाइ तिमीहरुले? गरेको हुनुपर्छ. 1 minus cos power 4c upon sin power 4c equal to 1 plus 2 cot square c. यो बीएलई मा धेरै पटक आउने पनि गर्थ्यो. क्लास 9 पनि यो त्यतिकै इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ. Okay, now C question of for B and C. B and C are same types of question. I do one question, it's okay. म एकपल्ट फेरि एउटा क्वेशन गर्दिन्छु, केही भएन. 4 number B I do, then C number you can do yourself. 4 number B you can see. For number B, there is 1 minus cos power 4c upon sin power 4c. 1 minus cos power 4c upon sin power 4c is equal to, there is 1 plus 2 cot square c. 1 plus 2 cot square c. Okay, this is the question. You can see on the board now. Everybody, look it. Here is 1 minus cos power 4c upon sin power 4c is equal to 1 plus 2 cot square c. We have to prove. So here also left hand side. By taking left hand side, we have to prove the right hand side. So we can do solution. Taking LHS, taking left hand side LHS. Our question is there 1 minus cos power 4c upon sin power 4c. Everybody. Here you have to see the question. First of all, how we can do it, you have to build up your idea. 1 minus cos power 4c, how we can do? You have to apply the algebraic formula. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This factorization formula we can apply. There is 1 minus cos power 4c we have. So this can be converted in the form of a square minus b square form. Then we can write a plus. Yes.
That 1 minus cos power 4c, then sin power 4c we can do, then it will be.
No. Sorry, that cannot be done. Look at here. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to only sin square theta. but we can't write 1 minus cos power 4 theta is equal to sin power 4 theta. यो लेख्न पाइदैन है, यो एकदम टोटली रङ हो। यो हाम्रो 1 minus cos square theta मात्रै हुन पर्छ त्यहाँ। 1 minus cos square भयो भने हो। यस्तो डाउटहरु छ भने क्लियर हुने कि सोध्दै क्लियर हुने। स्पोर्ट्स भट्टले कति क्लियर भइराछ न, क्वेशन सोधिरहेछ, यस्तै हुन पर्छ सबै, एभ्रीवन प्लिज। तो 1 minus cos power 4 equal to sin power 4 लेखिन्छ। कहिलेकाहीँ अब सिक्ने क्रममा कहिलेकाहीँ नबुझ्न सकिन्छ, 1 minus cos power 4 sin power 4 लेख्न सकिन्छ, आइडिया थाहा नहुन सक्छ। So this never we can write 1 minus cos power 4 is equal to sin power 4, we do not write, this is totally incorrect. So 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta only we can write. So here this yes we can write, but later we have to convert this. 1 minus cos power 4 also we can write in the form of like this, a square minus b square formula. You know, 1 minus cos power 4 we can write 1 square minus cos power 4 we can be written cos square theta, its whole square we can write. Now you know that cos power 4 can be broken like this square, whole square we can do cos square theta whole square we can write. Then this goes in the formula a square minus b square formula. We can apply a plus b, we can do once again. What a minus b means 1 minus cos square theta. Now we can do, yes, a square 1 is we can write 1 square, cos power 4 can be written cos square again whole to the power square. So here a square minus b square formula is a plus b, and a minus b formula we can apply it. Okay, this after we can go ahead. This 1 minus cos power 4 can be written 1 square minus cos power 4 can be written cos square c is whole square again, because it is 4 here. So you know x power 4 if there is, then this can be written into x square and a whole square we can write. We can write in this broken form. So x square whole square we can write. So cos power 4 is written cos square c again whole square. So this after downside we have seen sin power 4, nothing have to do, keep same. This equal to here upside you have seen a square minus b square. This one considered as a cos square c you consider as a b. Now a square minus b square is equal to a plus b. A plus b means 1 plus cos square c. Again a minus b, a means 1 minus b means here cos square c. A whole upon downside sin power 4 c we can keep as it is. Nothing is done in the denominator. This after upside. Now scores but you had you were asking before. Now 1 minus cos square c is equal, now you can write sin square c. Now it is easier. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta we can write. So here 1 plus cos square, nothing have to do, keep same, because we do not have the formula for this 1 plus cos square c into 1 minus cos square c is equal to, we can write sin square c from the formula. So divided by downside sin power 4 c we have. So now dear students,
Cancel.
sin square c can be cancelled with the square here downside. Still remaining here sin square. Okay, out of 4 is 2 square is cancelled. Now square is still remaining here in denominator. You have to understand. You know, if x square upon x power 4 we have, then this whole it can be cancelled to the here square. Okay, out of this x power 4, still x square is remaining there. Square cancel, square again remaining. So like this, you know, I think everybody were clear up to here. Okay, then after this is equal to upside is 1 plus cos square c into only this much remaining, divided by downside sin square c is remaining. Here outer power 4 square is cancelled, again square is remaining here. Okay, it is common thing, you can understand. Now this is everyone. What can be done now? के गर्ने होला अब, यसो आइडिया छ? यसलाई अब के गर्ने, सेपरेट गर्ने सबैले. We can separate this. We can separate. अब फर्मुला छैन हामीसँग 1 plus cos square c को पनि छैन. sin square c लाई 1 minus cos square लगाएर के गर्ने, त्यसैबाट चेन्ज गरेको. So we can separate this. We can write 1 by sin square c plus cos square c upon sin square c. यसरी पनि यसलाई चेन्ज गर्न मिल्छ, किनभने तिमीलाई थाहा छ a plus b upon c if we have, then this can be written a by c plus b by c. So we can separate it. Separate. So we are separating this 1 by sin square c plus cos square upon sin. So we can do this. So after this, everybody, you know, formula. We have got formula. 1 by sin means cosec. Reciprocal sin is cosec. 1 by sin means here cosec. From formula, your formula देखिए आएको है. 1 by sin is equal to cosec square we have, then square also we can have cosec square c plus
Cot.
So by sine, cos by sine is equal to cot, you know, sine theta by cos theta. Then cos by sine is cot, so we can write cot square also we have, so cot square c. Cos square theta upon sine square theta, cos square theta upon sine square theta equal to cot square theta. 1 by sine square equal to cosec square. Now
Then
you
1
see,
plus cot square c.
very nice. Right hand side you see there, what is our requirement? Right hand side 1 plus 2 cot square c we have to prove. So here cot square already came, this no need to change. जुन कुरा हामीले ल्याउनु छ राइट ह्यान्ड साइडमा त्यो कुरा आइसकेपछि त्यसलाई चेन्ज गरिरहनु जरुरी छैन. कट स्क्वायर सी त हाम्रो आइसक्यो, यसलाई चेन्ज नगर्ने. अब मात्र चेन्जको लागि गर्ने भने cos स्क्वायर सी लाई, त cos स्क्वायरलाई पनि केमा लान पर्यो, कटमा लान पर्यो.
1 plus
रिलेसन cosec square theta is equal to, you know, cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. यो याद गर्नु पर्यो, ख्याल गर्नु पर्यो. Cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square c, and plus this next cot square is as it is. Now this after 1 is 1 same, cot square plus cot square 2 cot square c. This is right hand side proof. Like this we can do it. Yes. यसरी गर्ने. हामीले सबै कुरा हेर्न पर्छ के. यसमा हामीलाई ट्रिगोनोमेट्रीमा अथवा हरेक कुराहरुमा हामीलाई अन्डरस्ट्यान्डिङ चाहिन्छ, कन्सेप्ट बिल्ड अप हुन पर्यो, त्यसपछि गएर फर्मुलाहरु मेमोराइज पनि गर्नु पर्छ. मेमोराइजिङ पनि एकदमै आवश्यक छ. सबै कुराहरुलाई टुगेदर वी हैव टु take forward. Okay, so like this we can do 1 plus 2 cot square c is RHS proof it is. Okay, so in this way we can do. Anybody have confusion here? कसैलाई केही कन्फ्युजन छ भने भनिहाल्नु ल, कता के भयो, यसमा कतै कन्फ्युजन छ भने भनिहाल्नु. 1 minus cos power 4 upon sin power 4 छ. पहिला सुरुमा यसलाई यस्तो क्वेशनमा a square minus b square अल्जेब्राइक फर्मुला लाउन पाइयो. a square minus b square we can do a plus b, a minus b. 1 minus cos square equal to sin square भइहाल्यो. एउटा काटिहाल्छ यहाँनिर, एउटा sin square काट्छ, बचेको यो यहाँ लेख्यो है. त्यसपछि यसलाई सेपरेट गर्ने 1 upon sin square, cos square by sin छुट्याउने यसलाई. 1 by sin is equal to cosec, you know, cos by sin is cot, square छ त cot square हुन्छ. अब यहाँ RHS मा cot ल्याउनु पर्ने भएको हुनाले cosec square equal to 1 plus cot square. This is from formula. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square. To 1 same, cot square plus cot square 2 cot square. That is RHS proof. ल. Similarly, question number C you can do. C number पनि त्यसरी गर्न सकिन्छ. Everyone you can do C number also, no problem. ल. Is everyone clear? सबैजना क्लियर छ यहाँसम्म?
Yes sir.
Suyana, Swastika, and you similarly Ayush Pandey, Janak, Nitya, Krisa, Ayushma, are you clear? All of you?
Sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Now this is finished. Now, okay, then now you let's do classwork. Question number C, do classwork. Same type of question is there. C number you can do. C number question I give here. I write the question. Okay. This is a B number. C number. Its question is there. 1 minus sin power 4 C upon cos
Sir,
power.
completed.
Completed. Okay, very good. Now other remaining students. 1 minus sin power 4 upon cos power 4 is equal to 1 plus 2 tan square C. Let's prove this. You prove all of you. Sports try, you can go ahead. Okay, no problem. If you have completed C number, then very good. Go ahead. Now D number, E number, like this other you can do. All questions you have to do yourself. If problem, then only you have to ask for help. Now question number C complete, all of you.